It's 6:30 Wednesday morning. It's 24 degrees outside, and the dump truck is still waiting for rotors. There'll be an update on that, but we're here today for the 98 Chevy flatbed. I wanted to get you set up here for a cold start. Actually, I don't expect it to start, but I'll show you what's going on. Alright, the key is on. I've been using a remote starter out here because I'm under this hood so much. Key's on, everything's hooked up. Okay, that's what it does. I did this yesterday to verify it, but I wanted you to see it for yourselves. Now I'm going to disconnect the mass airflow sensor, 3-pin sensor, and see, now I get fire. And if I keep going and feather the fuel, it'll run. I did this yesterday. So I verified 12 volt. I verified the 5 volt reference to the computer signal wire, and I verified good ground. So I want to go get a new mass airflow sensor from Napa. All right, check engine light on, keys on. I don't get that. It's weird when you initially crank it, it's a long crank, and then shut the key off and go back on, then it cranks right up. So I think I got another issue that we'll have to troubleshoot. But anyway, check engine light's out and it's running. So I'm not going to call this a complete fix because it shouldn't be cranking like that. I mean, it is cold out, but we still got some work to do. Hey, good morning, everybody. It's 43 degrees, which is a lot warmer than it was yesterday after I put this mass airflow sensor in, but I want it to come out and see if this thing will start. And I'm not sure if it's a fix, there's still something going on here with the long cranking time, but we'll see. Okay, that wasn't bad. Well, that wasn't too bad. I mean, it is 43. I wish it was a little more colder just for the test, but we'll go with that. I want to keep an eye on this and see how it goes, but for now, call to fix. And if you have any comments below, some little things I can check, let me know.